go again.
Here we go.
Here we go again.
Oh, the speed bit truck. Where we go? This which way?
Don't bring me to your house, okay? Drop me off in my house. Good day.
So straight or go
Yeah,
here?
no, go left.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. The birthday girls bring me to my house. No, wait for the stop. Just good day. Hi. Hi. Go home. Oh no, let her go first. Let the car go. Hey! That's funny. Oh my god. This is crazy.
So this way, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
The birthday girl driving.
I bring Agadoy home.
They bring it to Agadoy in the car.
My sister said, "Who teaching Rose that?"
To Agadoy in the car.
I said, she know long time before she met me.
No. You teach me.
So,
Ah! Broom broom.
you say after you so safe. You don't believe me. You see that I'm a good driving or no? Yes or no?
Yes, because I never wear helmet.
Like another video, right? You say, oh, my best friend driving, so she put so many like car seat belt on. But then
Oh, next time
and then put some helmet on it.